What I was hoping to do with my little brushless motor was spin the magnet around the outside and then generate electricity with it, with the coils, you know, which is a perfectly acceptable thing to do. However, it didn't matter how fast I spun it, I couldn't even light a little LED with it, and I wondered why. And the only reason I can think of is because there's a DC motor and then the little electronics on the back pulse it to get the magnet to spin. If you spin the magnet, any AC signal that you generate won't come back out through the wires because the electronics won't work backwards. That's why you can't use a little brushless motor as a generator. You can, but not in this particular case. It would probably actually work better if we did away with those electronics and used an AC signal to power it. And that's the exact same reason why we can't use our transformers backwards either. Because this is just a mobile phone charger. Inside there you can see a transformer. So you've got mains coming in one side, and then you've got DC 7 volts coming out the other side. You've got a step down transformer with about 30 to 1 step down ratio, and then the signal was bridge rectified and sent out as a DC signal. So if you tried to use that backwards, you'd have to bypass the electronics in order to use that transformer. So everything we use is repressed down to DC. So if I take the transformer out of there, unsolder the PCB and do away with it, the printed circuit board and the electronics on there, I'll be able to use that as a 30 to 1 ratio stepping up transformer instead of stepping down, which I'll be able to put to some good use, no doubt.